heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration mechanics and installers. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration mechanics and installers work on heating, ventilation, cooling, and refrigeration systems. Work environment. HVAC technicians mainly work in homes, schools, hospitals, works, or factories. Their work sites may be very hot or cold because the heating and cooling systems they must repair may not be working properly, and because some parts of these systems are located outdoors. Working in cramped spaces and during irregular hours is common. How to become one. Because HVAC systems have become increasingly complex, employers generally prefer applicants with post-secondary education or those who have completed an apprenticeship. Some states and localities may require technicians to be licensed. Salary. The median annual wage for heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration mechanics and installers is $48,730. Job outlook. In the next 10 years, the use of heating, air conditioning, and cooling mechanics and installers is expected to increase by 4%, about the same speed as the average for all occupations. Buildings for commercial and residential buildings will lead to jobs growth, and good job opportunities will be expected for HVAC technicians. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.